You scratched my sunburn.
Hey!
Meow.
This is Crocodile Dundee, the latest version of Kevin Sheehan's Snoring. Like a wild boar in nature. Are you gonna talk at least on it? Give me a stick up and teach it.
What are you doing? Michael, no.
This is Crocodile. This is a Crocodile Dundee, and this is a wild boar.
Now get that away from his head.
The airflow from the nostrils.
Get that away from his head.
The airflow from his nostrils are not getting into his mouth good enough, causing the nasal to snore. This is a real pisser. This is a real pisser. This motherfucker. You could piss hot in his mouth.
It goes crazy. What was that thing?
This is Crocodile Dundee. I'm gonna shit piss in your mouth.
Stop. Michael!
He's still waking, Mama.